Hey, it's me, I'm JC. Hey, it's me, I'm JC, JC, and this is Beard Porn. I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial on how I'm about to do this. Now, this is not like my first try. This is more of me just sprucing this up, and then I'm going to give you another video about my hair. Yeah, since it's Monday, I'm gonna give you Beard Porn first, and then I'm gonna give you my braid out tomorrow. Ready? So let's go. So first things first, I'm using TGIN products all month long. Why? Because it is No Shave November, and I was invited to be one of the ambassadors for No Shave November from TGIN's Man. So I'm a TGIN Man ambassador. Now what I'm doing is this. I'm going to be giving my LOC back to my beard, and then I'm going to give you more videos about my beard all week long. Yes, pretty much I'm going to give you these videos as soon as possible. I'm starting probably Monday, all the way until November's over. Now I'm going to tell you so much about how I feel about the product line. Ready? This is TGIN's green rose water curl refreshener with rose water and green tea. Ready? So what is this? This is my L. Now, as you know, I do an LOC. Now, the reason why I love having an LOC is because you get liquid in you, and the liquid gives you replenishment. And this is one of my favorite items from this line because you can spray as much as possible, and it helps your skin out too. Well, we're gonna go ahead and put some of that on the skin, your beard, do that stash, and we're gonna go like this. Why are we doing like this? Because we're gonna make our beard grow. This is the best tip I'm gonna give you. If you rub your beard like this, you're gonna help all your curls, naps, and everything out by giving it more of a giving a hand brush. And instead of just going like down like this, I'm gonna go like that. There you go. I'm trying to make sure I give you the best angle as possible. Remember, keep going like this up. You're gonna keep going up and out. And what we're doing also is massaging our beard. Now, next up is I'm so excited for this item always. This is the TGIN Argan Replenishing Hair and Body Serum with argan oil and coconut oil. Now, why is this so important to make sure y'all understand? This is a key thing. Now, I have been a while since I've read this. This has coconut oil, olive oil, argan oil, peach kernel oil, jojoba oil, hibiscus flowers, and that's what this is. Hibiscus flowers and vitamin E. And it has a light fragrance. Now, with your beard, it's all about your own size, but a little goes a long way, especially when it comes to replenishing oils. Because of all those oils I just listed, you don't need but that much. I put like a little bit of a dime size, and like I said, this whole time what I'm doing is this. I'm going to add all that to my hair. Now, with your oil choice, make sure you get your beard and get the scalp of your beard. So what you're getting is this section here. Remember that. And last but not least, as you see, my beard is getting fully moisturized and it's getting its shine back. This is Airs. For all I don't know this. This is Beard Porno Airs. Yes, y'all know I name my beard. And we're gonna go light with the conditioner too. Like this. Ready? And we'll go just like this. Too much? I do the palm method. So this right here is gonna go somewhere else. Ready? Well, no, it's not. I'm probably gonna need all of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all this and like under. When you go under like this, we're gonna pretty much be stretching this beard out. We're sprucing this beard up a little bit more. And as you see, this my beard is fully moisturized. I'm actually now just going to go a little bit through and help my beard get my everyday beard look. So go right here for your stash, like this. Right there. And get that section. Get right here. Everything is out. Alright. Last but not least, get a brush. 1, 2, and go like this. And we're gonna go one more time. Go back and forth. Go back and forth. Go up. See? It's so simple. And the reason why I make sure y'all understand, I always do beard porn, mostly in real time, so y'all can understand, like, your beard can grow and it can get healthy if you use this every other day. I would say 2 times if you're a very new person that is not used to the new texture of your beard. I would say, if you can, every other day. Try your best to get your everyday beard effect, and then just brush it the next day. If you feel the moisture is gone, then we gotta give you a wash day. Your wash day should probably take place twice. And I'm gonna give you my wash day routine for my beard porn Wednesday. Yes. Other than Tuesday, it's all about my beard. And I'm going to be showing you different ways. I'm going to show you everything from on here and also IGTV all week long, from all the way to December. Now, why do you still have your beard? It's because it's No Shave November. Real quickly, I was going to say this in the beginning, the intro, but reason why we have our beard, for all of my new beard guys, 2 guys that have been trying to trim it up, make it look more fresh. And I know Thanksgiving happened and you're like, bro, I'm ready. And honestly, I know. But no shaving your beard all month long is helping prostate cancer. And prostate cancer is a big deal because that's one of our killers for men. And you helping out doing hashtag No Shave November makes everything get better. Now, look at my beard. And as you see, Aries is happy. And real quickly, let's see the... Can't give you a full on like before and after. I'm gonna start doing that better though. But if you like my beard, try this. If you want to try TGIN products, you can always go TGIN. They got It's Natural. And I'm gonna go to the back. Right here. And it should say Let It Grow. This is the Let It Grow campaign that we're doing now. And you can always go to TGIN.com or TGINatural.com. And you can look for all these products that I've been showing you all month long and continually watching me. So subscribe if you're not subscribed already, like if you love this video, and comment and ask me like more questions because I got you always. Try best to stay woke, try best to get woke, and I'll catch you with the next one when you see this braid out. Catch you later.